Good morning!
Good morning, guys!
How are you doing today?
We are super excited because we were to
Roosevelt Island. Yes, today we're gonna make a video speaking only in English
for practice.
Yes, because we have the same time here in USA. So now we want to see how much our English improved this time. I can't believe it. It's super cold today. Yesterday the weather was super warm and I don't understand this weather. It's crazy. Are you excited for this experience?
Yes, my first time in a tramway.
Tramway is the name?
Yes.
What do you think, Ellie? Do you like it?
Yes, it's like a subway by flying.
But it's amazing, I love it.
Yeah, the view is beautiful. I'm not kidding. Manhattan looks so great.
Yes, like a movie.
Yeah.
I'm in love of this city. So now where are we going?
To eat, I don't know, whatever.
Yes, we are so hungry. What do you want to eat?
I don't know, pizza, burgers.
Yesterday we went to Joe's Pizza, that is the famous one from the Spider-Man movie. And was good, right? You like it?
Yes, I like it. It's cheap, it's not expensive. Yeah, I like it, but it's a little far from here, so we were trying another restaurant and I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. Maybe we can go to get some burgers, something different, because yesterday we ate pizza.
I will.
Okay, we found a place. It's a coffee station, coffee store. Our breakfast is here. Tell me about your breakfast. What do you choose?
About my what?
Your breakfast. What's that? It's a cheeseburger.
It's good. Looks good. My orange juice is good. I hope, because it's expensive.
That coffee store was super expensive! Oh my god! What do you think about it?
It's my last time in that restaurant. It's super expensive. The tip for the service, wow, is included. It's
Yes.
expensive.
And the food.
160 pinches dólares. No, pesos.
Speak in English.
Sorry. Es que es para que le dé más. Wow, it's very expensive. Propina, 160.
Wow, what's that? Now we are in Central Park and I bought this sweater because it's too cold today. And my friend bought this. What's the name of this thing?
I don't know how do you say, but that feel very warm.
And we're going to walk through Central Park. And what else?
Yeah, just for watching. Look the horse. The fall.
Your favorite place in New York is Central Park?
Definitely yes. I
Yes.
love it.
You love the nature?
Yeah. Actually, my favorite season is fall. My favorite place in New York is Central
Look the
Park.
tree! How cool!
Yes. So this is the reason, you know.
I love this view behind of me. So cool. We're going to Brighton Park. What's here? This is something famous because it's a big line. I need to know what's that. We are in the ice rink, but I wanna buy something sweet to eat. I'm a little bit hungry, not too much, but I want to find something like a crepe. And I don't want to pay more than just $5 because it's the money that I have on cash, and I want to spend money from my car. So let's see. Each donut is $6 and I just have 5, so I need one more dollar, but I don't have more cash, so I'm gonna pay with my card, unfortunately. And we're not going to the ice rink because my friend is afraid about the ice rink because she have problems in her back. I'm excited about to use I'm excited about the ice rink, but I don't have problems if I'm not doing today. If I'm not doing today because my boyfriend is coming in December and we can go together to ice rink. I'm gonna try this thing. Look.